Start with hard.
Hey, Gruff. Why you look so,
I'm bummed. My best friend Waldo moved to Seattle.
Yeah, sometimes we can feel blue because of people or things or dogs, and sometimes it's nice to go for a walk or talk about it. You know what? The same exact thing happened to me when I was about your age. Let me tell you about it. Cass was a girl that lived on my block. After school we began to talk. We seemed to like many same things, like telling jokes, and we loved to sing. Over the years, as we walked home, we made up some silly songs as we laughed and became good friends. I guess I thought it would never end. Then came the day Cass was in tears. Her family was moving away from here. Then the day came, she moved away. I walked home alone. Cass had been the best friend I ever had. For a long, long time I was very sad. Sometimes I'd call and we'd talk for so long. Then we'd laugh as we sang our silly songs. Took a while, but I made new friends. Though they weren't Cass, at last I laughed and began to sing again.
Wow, that song really captured how I'm feeling.
Yeah, and the thing about sadness, it doesn't last forever.
Oh,
And there's also FaceTime.
whoa. I mean, right.